Hello and welcome back to yet another exciting luggage review. So you think your luggage is cute? Well, think again. I am Vicky from NonStopTravelVV and I'm here to tell you that my luggage is way cuter than yours. And I can prove it. So if this is not the cutest luggage that you've ever seen in your life, then so it has a really long name. The name is Getaway 20-inch GlideTech wheels expandable carry-on luggage. And not only is it cute as beep, it is also super functional according to the website. And you know how I do my reviews, like I have not cheated yet, I have not opened this thing yet because I wanted to do it here live on camera, I mean sort of live. So you probably have seen my previous videos about BAGSMART backpacks and oh my god, I do love them all. But I think it was time to see what their suitcases are like. So I actually reached out to BAGSMART and I said, could I have one of those pretty suitcases? And thankfully they said yes. Thank you so much, BAGSMART. I love you guys. So without further ado, let's check out what it has to offer and then let's pack it. Alright, so let's start with the specs, the size and the weight. I will put everything here so that you can read it. On the BAGSMART website, they actually have a checklist with the size requirements from most airlines, which is awesome. So I double checked everything. So it is still carry-on size with most airlines. It's just like when you're used to my channel, I usually pack backpacks and they are so small. So it does look big, but this is carry-on size. Don't you worry about it, guys. So it is too big to be a personal item, but it is perfectly sized to be a carry-on item. And I mean, you guys know that I cannot lie. So the only issue that I have with it, to be completely honest, is the weight. And that is always the case with hard shell carry-on cases. They do weigh a little bit more. Plus it has like all this fancy technology like in the wheels and everything. So yes, that adds up to a little bit more weight. Which also means if we pack it full, it will probably go over 7 kilos, right? And in Australia we have that weight restriction of 7 kilos. Some airlines allow 10 kilos. For a 10 kilo airline, perfect. Absolutely perfect. And in the US, where most airlines don't have a weight restriction, only a size restriction, double check if it fits with the size restriction and then, oh my god, go crazy. You can put so much in here. You really do not need a bigger suitcase, as I will prove in a moment. So for me personally, this would be something that I would most likely just check in. Because I can fit so much stuff in there, I would never need a bigger suitcase. So if I check it in, then you can bring 23 kilos. I mean, no problem, of course. But if you want to use it as a carry-on in Australia, be careful. You have to pack really light with it. It is still possible, but you just have to pack quite light. Okay, with that being said, let's get to all the good stuff. I mean, I haven't opened it yet. Maybe I hate what's inside, but I don't think so. Also, I just wanted to mention, if you don't like the pink, it also comes in light blue, in dark blue, in gray, and I might be missing something. I will put all the colors here. So yes, lots of choices. I just love the pink one. I mean, it goes with my interior here. So it has like a lock to be safe, which does come in handy when you want to check it in. So I think we just slide this to the sides and it opens. All right, let's open this bad boy. Or I should say, let's open this bad girl. Are you ready? Oh my god, oh my god, okay, amazing. Now I see why it weighs a little bit more, because it also gives you a lot. So let's explore. Oh my god, oh my god. First of all, it has the waterproof area here. Come here. So you don't even need a toiletry bag, and there's something in there, there's gifts in there. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh. So it's a luggage tag so that you will always identify your suitcase in case that you do check it in. But since nobody will really have a suitcase that's that cute, I'm sure you can identify it. But just in case that everyone is buying this now after I make this video, then just put on your tag. Oh, it's so nice. And it's not real leather, it's vegan leather, which I very much appreciate. Thank you BAGSMART. Now or never. And then here inside, you put your details. I love it, I love it. Okay, what else? What else? There's more in there. Oh, here or there, now or never. Okay, so this thing is the personalized nylon webbing. And to be completely honest, I will do my research afterwards. I just got a notification. Somebody downloaded my free guide on how to pack light, which by the way is linked down in the description. So yes, I will do my research on what that actually means or what it is for. I mean, it is very cool and I'm sure it does something cool. That's what we had in there, in the waterproof area. And oh my God, how awesome is this for your toiletries? I have a feeling that using all the compartments in here, you don't even need to bring any toiletry bags. What else? Oh, nice. Okay, so this, I guess, dirty laundry or like something that you just want to keep separated. You just put in here. It feels really nice. Love the materials. Let's open all of this up. Perfect, so much space. Oh my God, you guys. This is a huge suitcase for a minimalist traveler like me, so this is exciting. I could never have a reason to need more space than that. Okay, let's zip it back up for now. Let's see what the other side has. So the other side has compression straps, which is always good to have if you really want to pack a lot in there. And then what do we have? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, look at it. It folds out. For the laptop. Is this what it is? I'm guessing it is like protected. Ah, and can you remove it if you don't? Ah, if you don't want it, you take it out. If you do want it, your laptop will be in the middle of your bag so that it's really safe and protected. Oh my God. You guys at BAGSMART, I have to say, I don't even have words actually. You guys really know what you're doing. You've really done your research. The materials are amazing. The quality is amazing. And I mean, I'm not saying that because they sent that to me. BAGSMART never tells me what to say in my videos. So they just send me stuff and wait for me to make a video about it. There's like no guidelines. I could literally say that I hate everything about it if I wanted to. So, but I mean, honestly, this is amazing. Shall we see if my laptop fits? All right. Oh, easily. So it would even fit a bigger one. Again, mine is, I think, a 15-inch, if I'm not completely mistaken. Fits in here perfectly fine. And safe in there as well. Oh my God, I want to travel with an airline that does not have weight restrictions or allows 10 kilos. And then, oh my God, like this is definitely my luggage of choice. I mean, I love traveling light with backpacks and everything, but I mean, come on, this is so cute. And it would be so easy to pack because you can literally just throw things in, no compression bags needed, nothing. Then again, I wanted to talk about, so there's two strategies with this. So if you really want to bring a lot of stuff, you can. Then you could use one of those bad boys. So this is the YOYOVAC Vacuum Compression Travel Bag. I made a video about it recently. I'll put it up on the screen. And also I have a free giveaway. So if you're watching this video before the 31st of May, then you can still win this. Just have a look for my YouTube shorts where I'm promoting this, or just I will also link it here in the description. I mean, again, there's a full video about it. So what it does, like it really compresses your clothes because it has like a little air pump and it sucks out all the air. If you use this, I would put this in first when it is still empty. Put it in like this. Pack all your clothes, like really pile them up. You can put a lot of clothes in there. Close it, suck out the air, it will go down. And then you have still room in there. This is your strategy if you want to bring a lot of stuff. You can if you really want to. But if you are a minimalist traveler, you don't need to do any of this. You can just put your clothes in. Really, there is so much room. Or use normal travel compression cubes just to organize your stuff. You don't really need them to save a lot of space unless you really want to travel for 2 weeks and never wash your clothes in between. Those are your strategies here. Let me just see if I forgot anything. But yeah, I mean, obviously with hard shell cases, there's no outside compartment or anything that I forgot. Ah, I forgot something. You can extend the whole thing. So if you want to bring even more than that, it has an expandable zipper. Let's find it. So this is closing it up. All right, so we closed it up. And then how do we expand this thing? Aha, here. There is another zipper. And with this one, what happens? Ooh, look at it. Well, look at that. Oh, so much bigger. That's also maybe an option if you want to pack a lot of things. I mean, come on, overpackers, you're gonna love this. By the way, if you want to learn how to be a minimalist traveler and you're not quite there yet, I have a guide. It is linked down in the description. And I also have a packing checklist so that you don't forget anything on your next trip. And that is for free. With that being said, let's just pack this bad girl. So, I mean, yes, it is amazing that we have those compartments on the inside because obviously there is no outside pockets. You might want to bring a sling bag or something small for your passport, for your ticket, you know, for your tissues, for your disinfectant wipes, for like all those little things, for your pen, because there's always forms to fill out. So I've prepared a stack of clothes and I prepared quite a lot of clothes this time because, yeah, we can. All right, let's start with some jeans. Really big, bulky jeans as well. Because why not? Why not? Then a bulky big sweater. Of course, it has some pink on it to match how cute the suitcase is. Then we've got a dress. So this is a full-length dress. There you have it, proof. Then, because we can, sweatpants, really bulky. And my EcoT Studio travel sweater that you can buy in my Etsy store if you want to. Look at the back. So I actually originally designed this for myself for one of my around the world trips. When was it? For my Christmas around the world trip. But then some of my viewers said, where can we buy this? And I was like, all right, I'll just make it available in my Etsy shop. T-shirts. So we've got that small one and then three more. Pyjamas. Let's put them here. You can also get this in my Etsy shop. All right. A tote bag. Always good to have when you go shopping. I got this one in Bali and I love it. So let's put this on top here. There is still so much room. Toiletries in a fancy, not see-through bag because we can, especially if we check it in, no problem. My book that I still haven't read, don't judge me. Let's put it here. Sunglasses. And for the shoes, I will get a packing cube from BAGSMART. All right, I am back with a packing cube. Those are BAGSMART packing cubes. They come in a set, so there's also bigger ones if you want to be super organized. I mean, it would look really nice actually to organize it nicely. I'm sorry that I did not do that right now. But I mean, it's not necessary. It would probably have looked nicer on second thought, but it is what it is. All right, shoes. Yeah, this is the perfect size for shoes. I mean, unless of course you are a guy and have huge feet, then they might not fit, then just wrap them in a tote bag. You know what? Let's put them down here. The pajamas will easily fit here and the toiletry bag on top. There you have it, I like it. When I was getting my packing cube just now, I also found my favorite BAGSMART sling bags. So I just wanted to show you as options. They are both from BAGSMART. This one that I absolutely love, it comes with one of the backpacks. So if you also want to get like a backpack in combination with this that would go over the handles when you roll your suitcase, then you could also get this and the backpack and this. And I mean, you will have so much space. Or you can just get the sling bag, it's so light. I absolutely love this sling bag also from BAGSMART. All right, because you probably want to have your passport handy. So let's strap this in. Oh, nice. They work so well. I haven't packed the suitcase for so long, so this is very special to me. Then obviously you can put your laptop here in the middle. And I mean, I packed the toiletry bag, but I didn't really have to because I can just put stuff in here. So if you are a guy and probably would have chosen the blue or the gray suitcase, then you can just put your few toiletries that you need. You guys are so lucky. You can put those few toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, just put it in there and don't worry about it. All right, let's zip it up. So much more room in there. So you could definitely double the amount of clothes if you use a vacuum compression pack. Where's the top? Where's the bottom? Aha. This is the top. Let's close it up. So I still have the extension on. I will zip this back up now because we don't need it. And now we zip this up. It's so pretty, I love it so much. And I mean, there are much heavier hard shell carry-on suitcases out there as well. So this is definitely not on the heavy side, it's probably on the light side for a hard shell suitcase. So let's just weigh it now and see how much it weighs right now. All right, you guys, the moment of truth on, and now, there you have it, 7.7. You know what? It's actually not that bad because we did pack quite a lot of stuff in there, right? If I would not pack my sweatshirt and my sweatpants, because that's actually something that is really nice to wear on the plane, right? To be comfortable, then we're getting much closer to 7 kilos. So, I mean, I would really like to because it's so cute. I think if you check it in, use some of those wrapping materials that they give you at the airport just to protect it so that it stays as shiny and perfect as it is right now. But it's also scratch resistant and very durable material. So, I mean, yes, of course you can check it in and it's probably gonna be okay because I don't know if luggage handlers will love it as much as you do. All right, let's see. Okay, so it has different heights. So it locks in at different heights. Oh my God, this is such a nice, oh my God, so nice. All right, and there you have it. And I mean, of course, it also has 4 wheels, so it glides perfectly. And I mean, right now we are on carpet. So I mean, on a smooth surface, like on the airport, you're just gonna glide gracefully through the airport with this. And I mean, aesthetically pleasing, yes. I love it so much that definitely on my next trip, I will see if I can fly with an airline that allows more than 7 kilos, because I just want to have this baby with me. Obviously, you guys, I've got a link for you down there in the description, and I think you might get 10% off. I'm not sure. Check it out. Have a look. And of course, if you're still struggling with packing light, there is my guide from chronic overpacker to minimalist traveler. Links down there, and also my free packing checklist. Please give this a like if you liked the video, if you found it entertaining, and please say hello in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on traveling light, and let me know your thoughts on this suitcase. Or just say hello, I reply to all my comments. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye! I am Vicky from NonStopTravelVV. Hello and welcome back to yet exciting, but it is perfectly sized. It is not a personal item, but it is perfect. It is not a personal item, but it is. So it is too big to be a personal item. I'm always happy. I mean, this entertaining, or if you like, please give this a like.